Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to change your email on KuCoin platform. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, instead your cursor on your profile icon at the top right corner and tap on that, and after that I'm gonna tap on security at the top left corner. And right now you can see here's two-factor authentication if it's enabled on your account. And here you can see email and you can tap on change it. And also you can scroll down until you find email anti-phishing code. And here you can tap on settings. And settings this email. That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about KuCoin platform.